In the stillness of the northern wilderness, where snow blankets the earth and time seems to slow, a silent shadow moves between the trees. This is the lynx, a ghost of the forest, a creature of stealth, solitude, and survival. With its thick fur and snowshoe-like paws, the lynx is built for winter. It walks effortlessly across deep snow, disappearing into the landscape as if it were never there. But don't let its quiet presence fool you. The lynx is a predator, a specialist. It thrives in the cold and hunts with precision. Its favorite prey? The snowshoe hare, a fast and elusive animal in its own right. Every step the lynx takes is calculated. Its ears, tipped with black tufts, twitch at the slightest sound. Its eyes, golden and sharp, scan the terrain for movement. This cat doesn't chase its prey for long distances. Instead, it stalks patiently, waits, and then strikes with terrifying speed. Though powerful, the lynx remains vulnerable. Its solitary lifestyle means it must fend for itself year-round, finding food, avoiding larger predators, and caring for its young in a world that offers no second chances. In spring and summer, the snow melts, but the lynx's world remains quiet, cloaked in mystery. It roams deeper into the forest, leaving only paw prints behind. To many, the lynx is a creature they'll never see in the wild. It avoids humans, it avoids danger, and in doing so, it's become one of nature's best-kept secrets. But when you do catch a glimpse of it walking across a snowy ridge, or pausing to drink from an icy stream, it feels like a rare privilege. A moment that belongs to the wilderness alone. From the forests of Alaska to the mountain ranges of the northern Rockies, the lynx continues its silent reign. Elusive, elegant, and entirely wild. This is the secret life of the lynx.